Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi guys! Happy Valentine's Day! So today, if you are thinking what gifts or surprise you can give to your loved ones, I'll be sharing you today a very romantic and delicious recipe na pwede nyong i-share with your loved ones. And this is beet pasta with cream sauce and seared salmon. Let's cook it using Koizumi grill pot and induction cooker. So now let's make beet pasta with cream sauce and seared salmon. So for our beet pasta with cream sauce and seared salmon, the ingredients we're going to use are salmon, olive oil, beet pasta, garlic chips, white sugar, butter, onion, garlic, cooking cream, and fried basil. So first, season our salmon with salt and pepper. Sear natin yung salmon natin. Oil to our pan. Sear natin siya. 2 minutes each side. So by the way guys, Koizumi induction cooker is 2000 watts. Very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistant. So once we're okay now with our salmon, set aside natin siya. Let's move on to our pasta. Butter to our pan. Of course, with the same pan para makuha natin yung salmon flavor. Onions. Garlic. Cooking cream. Then turn off the heat muna. So before we put our pasta here, season natin siya with salt. Then let's move on to our pasta. Before we drop, season the pasta water with salt. So yeah, medyo matagal, no? A lot of salt. It needs a lot of salt para magkaroon ng flavor yung pasta natin. Then add our pasta. So for our beet pasta, we make a pasta dough using beet water instead of egg. So by the way guys, Koizumi grill pot is 2000 watts. Very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. Transfer na natin yung pasta natin sa sauce. Add a little pasta water. Done. Let's bake na our pasta. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. There you have it, our beet pasta with cream sauce and seared salmon. Perfect for this Valentine.